Good evening and welcome to Jammu and Kashmir show on BHF Radio. It's Friday, 8 o'clock. You will hear from us today beautiful songs from the region of Jammu and Kashmir. We will carry this journey with first with a Dogri song from Jammu region. This song is very special as many don't know that Dogras is an ethno group which has a lot of different kind of people in it. You have Gujjars, you have Bakharwals, you have Brahmins, you have Rajputs, you have Dogra Sardars, Dogra Christians, Buddhists. So in this song, it talks about Gujjar group, Gujris, the nomads. It's called Uchiya Lamia Daliyan Ve, which Gujre di Ping. So being they are झूला झूल रहे हैं पेड़ों पे और तब ये गाना गा रहे हैं. It's a beautiful song. I hope you enjoy, sung by Rupa Sharma ji.
What a beautiful song, Lalit, and good evening to the audience. I'm Shafalika, along with Lalit, we present the Friday evening show. So this Devi song reminded me of spring in our state, where we used to, be on the Jula in the summer. So I'm hoping for spring to come again. Let's move on to the next song. Next song is a Kashmiri song sung by Akash Goel. Now, Akash is a upcoming young singer. He's very young. I think he's in his late 20s. He doesn't have an orchestra. He just has a harmonium, and he just sings beautifully just with a harmonium. So he has sent me lots of his latest songs, and I love each and every one of them. He is getting popular slowly, but it takes time, especially in COVID, where you have to assemble your orchestra, I think. So let's listen to this song. It's Lolinaran Niyonam Suridin, which means that the flame of desire in my heart is not letting me sleep. So it's a love song, a romantic song, basically. There is no orchestra, as you will just see here in a minute. Just the harmonium and his lovely voice.
Lolinaram zolnam sine Lolinaram zolnam sine Hadil baro arnyonine Hadil baro arnyonine Hadil baro Lolinaram zolnam sine लोल शराब जुत में कल वालन लोल शराब जुत में कल वालन मस्त बई सूर्यंत प्यालन मस्त बई सूर्यंत प्यालन मस्त बई बुझ में साथी ए मैती नहीं बुझ में साथी ए महादी नहीं हा दिल
That was a lovely, lovely song by an upcoming artist. It is always very encouraging to listen to the young budding artists from our state or our union territory, as we say now. So, we like to promote young talent and new talent by making you all listen to their beautiful voice and songs. Now, moving back to Jammu region. Now, as I have mentioned many times before as well, Jammu region is not just Jammu city. It is made up of 10 different districts. And as our local language is Dogri, now Dogri, when you go up in the hills, more up like Rajouri, Punch, and some parts which is in Pakistan, like Mirpur and all, it's called Pahadi. It is the same language. It changes into and they call it Pahadi. So Pahadi and Dogri are the same language with a little bit of change in the way they maybe pronounce some words, but it's the same language. The next song I'm going to play is a very beautiful Dogri Pahadi song, and it's called Chitte Channa Diya Chandni. So it is about your lover's Chandni, and what all he has brought for his lover to to woo her, to make her happy. It's a small song, but it's a very beautiful song.
चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, उत्तर बेले बंगला, उत्तर बेले बंगला नवा पिया, आ वेखण चलिए के हो जया। चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, ओ मैं चुन चुन गंदला, हाय चुन चुन गंदला खांदिया, तू कड मोटर में आंदिया। चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, ओ मासी दिया पुत्रा, ओ मासी दिया पुत्रा, पुन दाने कुड़ा माड़ा झगड़ा रब जाने। चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, चिट्टे चन्ना दी चांदनी, ओ मैं बालियां लाइयां, ओ मैं बालियां लाइयां कन्ना दियां, निशानियां अपने चन्ना दियां।
Yeah, another lovely song. Thank you, Lalit. What a nice and soothing song. So yeah, like you said, Jammu region especially is comprises so many different ethnic groups, and some of them the language is quite different. So you have Badewahi, their accent is slightly different. You know, so let's move on to the next song, and Kashmir, obviously the language is quite homogeneous in most of the Kashmir Valley, so Kashmiri is spoken by everybody, and there's not much a difference in the accent in the various regions of Kashmir. So now the next song is by Ghulam Ganeji. So the tradition in Kashmir was that Mehndi was is quite a big thing. So Mehndi you're supposed to just sit and play songs, and mostly what we used to do on Mehndi is call a troupe of singers, and they used to be paid to play songs all through the night. So this is a typical traditional Mehndi Rat song. It's not linked to the wedding or anything, but it's one of those songs where all the instruments are played together, and that's why you'll see that it's quite an extended song. It's 10 minutes or more, and these are the kind of songs you had to last the whole night. So they used to get all the instruments, the rabab, the matka, there were the harmonium. Obviously, that's one of the key instruments, and just lots of cups of tea through the night and listening to all the songs. So this is a very nostalgic song which is played at almost all weddings by the singers who come in a troupe of 4 to 5. That's their main job. They go around households and sing at night. It is good fun. I haven't been to a wedding like all of us this year. So hoping in 21 I will get a chance to go back and listen to some nice songs over Mehndi Rat and lots of cups of kahwa. So let's listen to this song.
hay siyar oynar oynar partayı hakkı hayreti dermen suyarından hay hay suyar oynar oynar partayı hakkı hayreti dermen suyarından hay hay suyarından oynar oynar partayı hakkı hayreti dermen suyarından hay hay suyarından Lekina özürgünüm Lekina özürgünüm Lekina özürgünüm Donyeli vasılgam hayrud bakri Hayleti derdim şiir siyar Allah Hay hay siyar Allah Donyeli vasılgam hayrud bakri Hayleti derdim şiir Allah Hay hay siyar Donyeli vasılgam hayrud bakri Hayleti derdim şiir siyar Allah Hay hay siyar Donyeli vasılgam hayrud bakri Hayleti derdim şiir yar Hay hay siyar Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Siyar, siyar Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Kuluy daman akuluy rudus Ayleti derkünür suyarım Hay hay suyarım Kuluy daman akuluy rudus Ayleti derkünür suyarım Hay hay suyarım Kuluy daman akuluy rudus Ayleti derkünür suyarım Hay hay suyarım Kuluy daman akuluy rudus Ayleti derkünür suyarım Hay hay suyarım Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Siyar, siyar Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Lekina rızajnamdan Manibuz reşam andrud vanmi Ayleti darmani suyarımdan Hay hay suyarımdan Manibuz reşam andrud vanmi Ayleti darmani suyarımdan Hay hay suyarımdan Manibuz reşam andrud vanmi Ayleti darmani suyarımdan Hay hay suyarımdan Manibuz reşam andrud vanmi Ayleti darmani suyarımdan Hay hay suyarımdan
That's a lovely song. I know it is about Mehendi Raat, and it is nice and long song. And yes, when Mehendi Raat happens and everybody has to be awake all night enjoying the wedding season, so the songs have to be long, have to be beautiful, and that's the part of our culture which makes things so enjoyable that where the night goes, nobody notices. Now, the next song, which is a Dogri song, has been sung by Sonali Dogra. Again, an upcoming singer from Jammu. She has a beautiful texture of voice. She's sung a lot of songs across Jammu as well as outside in other states, and she has won many awards. I think she has also won some award in Punjab in some competitions. This song, which she's gonna say, which I'm gonna play, is Sanja Jammu. It talks about the unity of Jammu and the Jammu region. How Jammu region has always opened its hearts and its arms and welcomed everybody to come and stay in Jammu. It is also known as the refugee center of our state because many people from different parts and also from within our state have moved and migrated to Jammu due to various reasons. So this is a beautiful song, Sanja Jammu.
जम्मू दी धरती दा कन कन प्यारा लगदा रावी तवी जना दा इत्थे पानी बगदा जम्मू दा हर गबरू बाका बाकिया नारा इंदिया बन्न सबनिया दिखो शैलवारा अरे खुदाए अपना प्यारा प्यारा जम्मू सांझ परोची प्रीति दाए साजा जम्मू रंग बरंगे फुल्लेदा गुलदस्ता साड़ा जम्मू रोजन में इतिहास रचादा हर खित्ते च जम्मू अपना ना करादा जम्मू दा हर अंजुम चमकादा जग अंदर हर मानो दा मने इया जिया समंदर सब नेशा बखरा रखदा ए रुतबा जम्मू साँझ परोची प्रीति दाए साजा जम्मू रंग बरंगे फुल्लेदा गुलदस्ता जम्मू सांझ परोची प्रीति दाए साजा जम्मू रंग बरंगे फुल्लेदा गुलदस्ता जम्मू जम्मू
Wow, so another nice song, Lalit. So yeah, it's going on well. Today's session, and the next song is by a Kashmiri poetess. Her name was Haba Khatun. So there was a tragic sequence of events linked to her, and she was. It seems she was married to a king, and then she was happily married. It was a love story, and they lived together for a few years. Then he was called by another king, and so it was kind of a meeting he had set up with another neighboring king. So the husband went off, and it seems he was imprisoned there, and subsequently he died. So leaving behind his wife, whose name who was given the name of Habba Khatun, because she was a very famous poetess of her times. But she then got depressed and wrote a lot of sad songs, Virah ke songs, how she misses him, because it seems he died then while he was still imprisoned. So this is one. She has written lots and lots of songs, but all of them are really sad ones. And this is one of her famous songs, which she wrote in her husband's absence. And yeah, so let's listen to this sad song.
Lovely, lovely song by Habba Khatun. Habba Khatun has been a famous poetess and a famous character of Kashmir. We have read so much about Habba Khatun and her beauty. People swear by her beauty. She was one of the most beautiful ladies of Srinagar. Now, coming back to the next Dogri song we have is a little traditional song sung by Vijay ji. It's called Kan Koka, means in your ear is the earrings. And where is your Pyoka? Pyoka in Dogri is your Maika, which is your father's house. He's asking Neelima, his lover, where is your Pyoka? तेरा मायका कहाँ पर है, तेरे पिता का घर कहाँ पर है. And then he tells about another beautiful region of Jammu which is called Chineni. कि Chineni में तेरा माँ बाप रहते. Chineni is your maika, pyoke, and it's a beautiful old number, and I hope you will enjoy it.
ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਕੁੱਥੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਉਹ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਕੁੱਥੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਉਹ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਚਨਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਉਹ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਚਨਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਓ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਕੰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਓ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਤਾ ਲਗਨੀ ਸਾਲੀ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਓ ਕੰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਓ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਤਾ ਲਗਨੀ ਸਾਲੀ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਓ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਓ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ ਓ ਕੰਨ ਕੋਕਾ ਓ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਿਓਕਾ ਬਨੀਲਮਾ रंग लाबियो एक नाता लगनी पाबी बनीलमा ओ रंग लाबियो एक नाता लगनी पाबी बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा हथ गजरा ओ तेरा मेरा झगड़ा बनीलमा ओ हथ गजरा ओ तेरा मेरा झगड़ा बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा छिड़का रोड़े ओ तेरे मेरे बिछोड़े बनीलमा ओ छिड़का रोड़े ओ तेरे मेरे बिछोड़े बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा बागे केले ओ जुग जींदे आंदे मेले बनीलमा ओ बागे केले ओ जुग जींदे आंदे मेले बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका ओ कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका चननिया मेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका चननिया मेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका कुत्ते तेरा प्योका बनीलमा ओ कन्न कोका
Nice song. We're nearly coming to the end of today's lovely session, and I hope our audience liked all the songs. They are, especially I would say for Kashmiri songs, they are quite different in how they sound because the language is very, very different, and the instruments played are different as well because there are, like I said, some indigenous instruments which are just played in that part of the country. So yeah, but these weekday sessions in the evening are about the whole country and coming together as a nation and learning from each other's culture, tradition, and of course music. So I hope the audience enjoyed all the songs, and let's play a song by Kailash Mehra Sadhuji, another a very famous singer. She has sung hundreds and hundreds of songs, and I think she is the most popular Kashmiri song singer. I just listened to her couple of weeks back. We had a Zoom, a meeting on Zoom, and she just sang just on her harmonium. And even now, I've been listening to her since I was maybe 6 years old or 7 years old. Her songs, and even now, it's so soothing. It's so nice listening to her voice. Because singers, singers like Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, even at this age, their voice is so sweet. There's something about their voices. Same with Kailash Mehra Sadhuji, a beautiful voice. Let's listen to her very famous and very popular song. Um, it is a romantic song. Yeah, because most of her songs are romantic.
काम दीवान काम दिवो जाना वारो तन वो तुम दीवान वार मंगे मदन वारो तन वो तुम दीवान मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्याय दे मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्याय दे मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्याय दे कसम्यो न्याय दे कसम्यो
वहाँ तो वो सब भी खो गया ना KFC.
That was a nice song from Kailash Mehra Sadhu ji, and it brings us to the end of today's session. As we all know that Corona is still very much around, so I would request everybody to please be careful for yourself, for your loved ones. Stay inside the house. If you do not need to go out, please maintain social distancing. If you have to go, and save yourself by covering your mouth and wearing gloves wherever possible. We are signing off for today, and we will see you next Friday again at 8 o'clock with beautiful songs from Jammu and Kashmir. Good night and have a nice weekend.
Good night, everybody. See you next time.